great shot, straight over his head, first ball.
Sweet strike. Half a dozen.
ये बल्ले की गर्जन, रन आधा दर्जन। ओ बल्ले की आवाज सुनो, 6 का है फरमान सुनो। लॉन्ग ऑन पीछे एक और ए फलक, देख ले इनकी झलक सबसे अलग। एक और, इनकी बल्लेबाजी का अपना ही ब्रांड है।
लेकिन भैया ये बंदा खड़ा है 24 कैरेट गोल्ड।
ये लीजिए, ये उड़ान, गेंद नापने चली, कद आसमान का जवाब, और वो बिल्कुल मुमकिन है। 33 चाहिए अब, बल्ला चलाया तेज, उड़ती हुई गेंद, ओ हो गरजता बल्ला, मस्त हल्ला नहीं कर सकते। एक और बड़ा शॉट, पारी का अंत, ऋषभ पंत।
The ground, 98 meters. That's a huge hit. He's hardly even been at the crease for 3 minutes.
Hard in the second half.
Oh, he's climbed into it. What a sound!
That's Dan Christian areas.
Oh, yeah, it sounded good, didn't it? That sounded real good.
I'll have to call an Uber to bring that one back.
Free hit again.
He smashed it! He smashed it, Miles! Wow, it's right on top of the roof. That would have gone into the golf course. It might have gone into the golf course. Got him! There's an in-swinger. Beautiful bowling. It's pace, and it is bang on the money. Fast bowler at full tilt. Oh, wow. What a shot.
He got into position so quickly. His favourite shot, his strongest shot.
Oh, that's the biggest delight by Stoinis. That is enormous in Hobart. Stoinis lands it on the roof. Just power and timing and...
Big shot! What a strike that is! It's out of there. Single-handedly getting his team over the line. Wow! Where was he hiding?
That's big. 4-6.
98 meters. That's a huge hit. He's hardly even been at the crease for 3 minutes.
Up in the air and out the ground. Oh,
Stashed into the distance, into the night sky.
अच्छा शॉट सरदार खान पठान 30 रन हो चुकी सेवा की अली करामत अच्छा बॉल वेलन बड़ा जबरदस्त बॉल क्रॉस मार किया
All his fielders out there.
6 to win, 4 for a super over. More! There it is! Yeah, beauty! He's hit a 6 off the final! The Thunder is still... Smile, big fella! That's Dan Christian areas.
Oh, yeah, it sounded good, didn't it? That sounded real good.
I'll have to call an Uber to bring that one back.
Here we go, here's the tracker.